Okay guys, good morning. I'm Muhammad Zulfa Afifi from 12-2 and we will learn about hortatory exposition text. So, what is hortatory? Hortatory is a type of spoken or written text that is intended to persuade the listener or matters that something should or should not happen or be done. The social function of hortatory exposition is to persuade the readers to do what the thesis recommends. The structure of hortatory exposition. First, we have a thesis. It presents the issue and the writer's point of view about the issue of the topic. Next, we have arguments. This part consists of a series of arguments which strengthen the thesis and lead to recommendation. These arguments support the writer's point of view in the thesis. Next, we have a recommendation. It presents the statement of what ought or ought not to happen. In this part, the writer tries to persuade the readers to do something. And we have a language feature of hortatory exposition. First, general topics or generic participants. It talks about general groups of people or things, not specific individuals. Examples: using student instead of John. Next, sharing thoughts or giving opinion. Using phrases to show what you think, like in my opinion or I believe, and using right now, time, or simple present tense. Since you are talking about facts or current situation, use the present form of the verbs. Example: internet provides a lot of information. Next, thinking verbs are mental processes. Words that describe what is happening inside your head, like think, feel, understand, or realize. Next, we have action verbs, material process, words that show physical movement or doing something. Example: type, send, upload, or buy. Next, being or status verbs or relational processes. Word uses to describe or link a subject to its quality. Example: is, are, become, look. Next, ideal word or abstract nouns. Nouns that you cannot touch because they are concepts. Example: freedom, kindness, behavior, health. Next, suggestion word or modals and adverbs. Words that show how necessary or how sure something is, like should, must do, certainly, 100 sure, probably, or maybe. Ordering words, temporal connectives. Words using to list your reason in order. Example: first, second, finally. Giving example. Phrases used to provide proof or illustration. Example: for instance, such as, like. Next is feeling works, emotive language, using strong words to touch the reader emotion or judge something, like amazing, dangerous, waste of time, important. Okay, we have an example of hortatory text. This text talk about the importance of wearing helmets. In first part, we have an thesis. Wearing helmets while riding a motorcycle is very important. Many people ignore this rule because they feel uncomfortable or think short trips are safe. However, This habit can be very dangerous. Next, we have an argument. Firstly, helmets protect our head from serious injuries. In an accident, the head is a most vulnerable part of the body. Without a helmet, even a small crash can cause severe brain damage or death. By wearing a helmet, the risk of fatal injury can be greatly reduced. Secondly, wearing helmets is required by law. People who do not wear helmets can get fines or other punishment. This law exists to protect citizens and reduce traffic accident victims. Obey the law also means respecting our own safety and the safety of others. Next, we have a recommendation. Therefore, everyone should wear a helmet whenever they ride a motorcycle. It is not only a legal obligation but also a smart decision to protect our life. So that is hortatory exposition that I can explain to you and we will learn about. So thank you. See you next time.